Dear students, in this video I am going to explain how to solve problem number 6. Very important question. This question already appeared in the examination, which carries 12 marks. Please see problem. A fire occurred in the premises of a company on 1st July 2020. From the following information, calculate the claim to be made against the company. Fire occurred on 1st July 2020. 2020 is considered as current year and 2019 considered as previous year. Okay. Next, stock on 1st January 2019, 63,000. Okay. Data relating to previous year given. It means first step you have to prepare trading account to find out gross profit and percentage of gross profit. Got it? Yes. Please see solution. First of all, write down heading trading account for the period ending 31st December 2019. I already told you previous year 2019 trading account prepared at the end of the year 31st December 2019. Draw necessary column. Write down rupees in amounts column. Okay. Please take data relating to 2019. 2019 ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಏನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Yes. Stock on 1st January 2019, 63,000 given. Okay, please see adjustment. If any other information given in the problem, see this one. Okay, there is an average clause in the policy. Okay, we shall see later this one. Okay, it is the practice of the company to value the stock at 10% less than the cost. ಏನು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 10% ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 90%. ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ closing stock given in the problem is 90%. Understand? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು 90% ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. 10% ಕಡಿಮೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು 90% ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ 90% ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಟು 100%. 90% ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು 100% ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? Yes. Okay, we shall write one by one. Stock on 1st January 2019, 63,000 given. Okay, write down two opening stock. Please see note opening stock. I already told you. Okay, stock shown at 10% less than the cost. Understand? It means 90% shown in the book. 90% is to 63,000. Okay, stock value given in the problem how much? 63,000. 90% is to 63,000. What about 100%? 100 is to question mark. Okay. Yes, simplify it. 63,000 into 100 divided by 90. How much? 70,000. This is the actual opening stock. Understand? Yes, write down two opening stock. Write in bracket 63,000 into 100 divided by 90. How much? 70,000. Completed. Next. Purchases for the year ending 31st December 2019, 4 lakh. Okay. Data relating to last year purchases. Okay, write down two purchases, 4 lakh. Next, sales for the year ending 31st December 2019, 5 lakh. Last year sales, write down. Write in credit side, buy sales, how much? 5 lakhs. Completed. Next, wages for the year ending 31st December 2019, 2018, last year wages. Okay, wages for the year ending 31st December 2019, how much? 18,000. Okay, yes, write down two wages, last year wages. Okay, 18,000. direct expenses. Understand? Next, manufacturing expenses for the year ending 31st December 2019, 2000. Last year expenses, write down debit side to manufacturing expenses 2000. Completed? Next, okay, opening stock recorded, purchase over, sales over, wages over, manufacturing expenses over. Salary for the year ending 31st December 2019, 10,000. Salary paid is considered as indirect expenses shown in the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account nalli barutte. Understand? Leave it. Next, stock on 31st December 2019, 81,000. Okay, I already told you opening stock as well as closing stock shown 10% less than the cost. Understand? You have to convert into 100%. Okay, stock on 31st December 2019 given 81,000. Write down by closing stock. Okay, convert into 100%. 90 is to 81,000. 100 is to question mark. Simplify it. 81,000 into 100 divided by 90. How much? 90,000. Okay. Yes, write down by closing stock 90,000. Write calculation in the bracket 81,000 into 100 divided by 90. How much? 90,000. Okay, we recorded everything: opening stock, purchases, wages, manufacturing expenses, sales over, closing stock over. Okay. Next, find out which side shows more balance. Yes, credit side shows more balance. How much? 5,90,000. 5 lakh plus 90,000. 5,90,000. Debit side, write down 5,90,000. Completed. Next, find out the difference. 70,000 plus 4 lakh, 4 lakh 70, plus 18,000, 4 lakh 88, plus 2, 4 lakh 90,000. 5,90,000 minus 4,90,000. How much? 1 lakh. 1 lakh is considered as gross profit. Write on the debit side above total 1 lakh. Okay, in front of total write down to gross profit. Write in bracket balancing figure. Understand? Yes. Now we computed last year gross profit. Next, find out rate of gross profit on sales. You already know the formula: gross profit into 100 divided by sales. Okay, gross profit how much? 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 100 divided by sales. Last year sales how much? 5 lakhs. Please see credit side. Please see credit side by sales 5 lakhs. Okay, how much? Is it 20%? Yes, 20%. Okay, write down 20%. Completed? Yes. Next step. Step 1 over preparation of trading account completed to find out rate of gross profit on sales. Next, step 2. You have to prepare memorandum trading account. Okay. You already know date on which fire occurred. 1st July 2020. Write down in the middle of the page. Write down in the middle of the page memorandum trading account for the period ending 1st July 2020. Draw 4 columns. Write rupees in amounts column. Okay. Yes. Please take data relating to current year. Current year data ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, one item last year ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನದು? Closing stock. Last year closing stock becomes opening stock of current year. Please see trading account. Step 1 ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ buy closing stock ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ? You have to take closing stock entered in step 1. Okay, understand? Not given in the problem. Problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ. Got it? Yes. Okay, buy closing stock 90,000. Write down to opening stock 90,000. Next, please see problem. Okay. Stock on 31st December 2019 recorded. Okay. Purchase from 1st January 2020 to date of fire 2 lakh. This is current year purchase till the date of fire. Okay, write down 2 purchases 2 lakhs. 2 purchases 2 lakhs. Completed. Next, sales from 1st January 2020 to date of fire 3 lakh. Current year sales. Write down credit side. Buy sales 3 lakh. Buy sales 3 lakh. Completed. Next. Yes. Purchase over, sales over. Next, stock salvaged. Okay, this comes under step 3. Value of policy 30,000 given. This also taken into account in step 3. Okay. Yes. Any other information given relating to memorandum trading account? No. Okay. Yes. Okay, please see memorandum trading account, opening stock recorded, purchase over, sales over. Next, we have to find out gross profit. Gross profit calculated on sales. Okay, you already computed gross profit rate on sale. Understand how much? 20%. Okay, next find out gross profit amount. Okay, write in bracket, write down 2 gross profit, write in bracket gross profit 3 lakh into 20%. How much is it? 60,000. 60,000 is gross profit of current year. Okay, till the date of fire. Yes. Next, find out which side shows more balance. Debit side shows more balance. 90,000 plus 2 lakh, 2 lakh 90,000 plus 60,000, 3 lakh 50,000. Okay, next write it in credit side, 3 lakh 50,000. Completed. Yes. Find out the difference. 3 lakh 50,000 minus 3 lakh. How much is it? 50,000. Okay, difference recorded on credit side. Okay, write down 50,000 in front of the total. In front of the amount, write down by closing stock. Write in bracket balancing figure. Again write in bracket value of stock on the date of fire. Finished? Yes, we completed second step, preparation of memorandum trading account and ascertained value of stock on the date of fire. How much? 50,000. Next, step 3. In the problem, average clause given. Okay, first we have to compute actual loss of stock. Then we have to apply the formula to compute amount of fire insurance claim. Okay, yes, write down statement of fire insurance claim. Understand? Next, draw one particular one amount column. Please take value of stock on the date of fire. Okay, please see step 2. Buy closing stock ಏನಂತ entry ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 50,000 value of stock on the date of fire 50,000 less stock salvaged given in the problem. How much? Stock salvaged, last but one item, 10,000. 10,000. Okay, less stock salvaged 10,000. Completed. Over 50,000 minus 10,000. How much? 40,000. Okay, 40,000 is actual loss of stock. Actual loss of stock, how much? 40,000. Next, find out whether average clause applicable or not. Okay, please see problem. value of policy given in the problem 30,000. Okay. Next, under step 2, you already calculated value of stock on the date of fire. How much? 50,000. ಓಕೆ, ಬೆಂಕಿ ಅವಘಡದಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ನಾಶವಾಗಿವೆ? 50,000. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈರ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟು? 30,000ಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎವರೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈರ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಎಸ್. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು actual loss of stock into sum insured divided by value of stock on the date of fire. Okay, next write down amounts. Actual loss of stock, please see step 3. Actual loss of stock computed, how much is it? 40,000. Yes, write down 40,000 into sum insured. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್? ಫೈರ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಟೇಕನ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 30,000 divided by value of stock on the date of fire. Okay, please see step 2. Buy closing stock, how much? 50,000. Completed. Simplify it. How much? Is it 24,000? Okay, amount of fire claim, how much? 24,000. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈರ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ತಗೊಂಡದ್ದು 30,000ಕ್ಕೆ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆದದ್ದು 40,000. ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿಯಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರಿಹಾರ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ? 24,000. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, fire insurance policy taken 30,000, actual loss incurred 40,000, amount of fire insurance claim, how much? 24,000. These are some information relating to problem number 6. Thank you.